Kiombe ky'abanyagitari orosagia rwa Kisii nigo kigendete koba gikugikeria egekora segati y'abanyagitari banyarako bagotigerwa chingoma nene sokoburukana kwanyarako bokorekana se nyagitari ya Nduru level 4 se ensemo ya Nyamarambe abarai abo igonigo batebire batachi koba bakoenana anene obo koreri bwabo ochia se enyagitari iliyoko ikera serikali yanyare koba gekoba gati gose tiba kunyara kwa bakwena obokoreri bwabo goikera serikali yanyare kobe ko burendi bwisaine senya gitari linde banyare koba bakwirana emeremo roboti oruo na Brighton Makori
obokoreri bobo bwenia senya gitari ya Nduru yegotoka sensemo ya Nyamarambe ebunge ya South Mugirango na bono bra chikotenena anene kirabanyagitari baradirigo chigotagenda gukora emeremo NSMU.
We are here to give an official statement and position of the Department of Health in as far as the events that happened at Nduru level 4 hospital.
Bagukwana abo litskore goro anekero banyarire bakomochege korwa kyanyaldige korekana orro ewikeye nigobono bateruna barabumba ochikoremeria.
There is no way the community can organize themselves in such a way to try and prevent a working workforce to do their job. And because this was a normal government procedure.
We
are aware the people behind the act that occurred in that facility were well organized, and they were organized by the local politicians.
Nigobateruna nonye baliete chira cyo koremeremo se andonsi imeyense nigobono linganelyo linyagitari ya Nduru ligendereze ko baichania asemyoyo yabo.
We cannot behave like animals, and it is something that we are telling our people and our members who are the healthcare workers, all of them, that there is nobody who is going to return back to that place until the leadership of the county government, the local leadership and the area MP and all the MCAs in that area, they come together and solve the issue that is there.
I want to emphasize that as healthcare workers, doctors, nurses, clinicians, we took an oath. Healthcare workers can work anywhere and we work without partiality. So that incident still shocks us, and as we advise the healthcare workers, all of them to withdraw their services till that position remains.
Communication had been done and authorization had been received from the chief officer who was aware of all this. The SMOH, who is the head of the institution at Nduru level 4 hospital, was equally informed. We had left our headquarters in Kisii town, heading to Nduru level 4 hospital to do two main things. One, there was a water pump that had broken down that necessitated a repair, but before that we were to test it using the generator that is in the hospital, but they had challenges with fuel which we had to get from town. Two, we were to pick an anesthetic machine, which is a normal government procedure under borrowing from one facility to another facility. After a short while, when the machine was being loaded into the vehicle, a gentleman appeared from nowhere and appeared to be taking a video clip, and we asked him gently what he was doing, and he said that he was taking the video clip to record the work that was being done. So we requested him politely that we were not comfortable with that event, and he retreated. While retreating, he was seen waving towards the gate where a crowd of youths charged towards us.
Abanyagitari abo bakorawa na Dr. Matibe Giabe nigobona bateruna barabo nigobaganyete obotugokorwa erikomanya ningikirete ngane yo gokoreka.
To know that as a department we are still working towards ensuring that healthcare workers and a safe environment go back and continue offering services there. While this is going on, we request them to remain calm and stop issuing threats to those healthcare workers who are still on the ground. Otherwise, we request the relevant security agencies to continue doing the investigations and furnish us with information that will be helpful to guide us in terms of advising the healthcare workers to continue their services there.
Ngoripoti riketa seni Candice TV, Brighton Makori.